Hi there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this toilet paper basket that it's made of metal. I got this sent out for review and this is what it includes in the box. This is our metal basket. Here is everything that it includes. It comes with a manual of instructions because you have to install a few pieces on it so it can actually serve the purpose of a basket, okay? So here is the longer metal frame. You will add these two handles right here. You just need the screws that are included in the box as well. It is really easy. You don't need any special tools, and you can see that it is included. Everything that you will need, it's included here. You just install these screws and you will be doing the same for the other handle. Once that you install the screws, it comes with these anti-slippery like stickers that you will add right here. You can use them to cover the screws or not, just to place them in the corners, and these will help your basket to stay in the same place. Here it is. It is all made of metal and it will make a nice contrast with the most of the toilets, which are white, and here is how it looks. Really, really nice. It will make your bathroom look better and with a decoration.